Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to fix Facebook professional mode not showing problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Go to Google Play Store, search Facebook, update Facebook app, go to Facebook, tap on profile icon, scroll down, click on help and support, tap on report a problem, tap on report problem, tap on include, select on profile, write this text here, tap on send, wait for reply from Facebook. If you help from this video, please to be subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.